Imagine waking up to the sound of nature. No hotel noise, no rushing schedule, just you, a warm cup of coffee in your hand, sunlight coming through a wide motorhome window, and the open road waiting outside. Now imagine all of that inside a motorhome that feels less like a van and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. Today, we're taking a deep look at a motorhome that quietly changed the game, the 2015 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic. This is not just an upgrade. This is the moment when comfort, power, and smart design finally came together. So sit back, relax, and imagine this motorhome as your next escape. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2015 arrived at a time when travelers wanted more than just a place to sleep on the road. People wanted smooth driving, rail comfort, and a feeling of home wherever they parked. IVECO answered that demand with the Hi-Matic automatic transmission, combined with a strong diesel engine and a chassis that feels solid and dependable. This motorhome was designed for long journeys, family adventures, and travelers who refuse to compromise between comfort and performance. From the outside, the 2015 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic looks confident and purposeful. It doesn't try to be flashy or aggressive. Instead, it gives off a feeling of strength and reliability. The tall body offers excellent road visibility, while the wide stance keeps it stable even at highway speeds. Large mirrors improve safety and make lane changes easier, especially when driving long distances. One of the most impressive things is how balanced it feels on the road. Even with a full motorhome build on the back, the chassis handles weight effortlessly. This is exactly why many luxury RV builders prefer the IVECO Daily platform. Under the hood, the 2015 Hi-Matic comes with a powerful diesel engine paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission. This completely changes the driving experience. There is no heavy clutch, no constant gear shifting in traffic, and no stress when driving through cities or mountain roads. Everything feels smooth and controlled. Power delivery is calm, fuel efficiency is impressive for a vehicle of this size, and long drives feel relaxed instead of tiring. For RV owners, this means you arrive at your destination feeling fresh, not exhausted. Step inside the motorhome, and the atmosphere changes immediately. This no longer feels like a commercial vehicle. It feels like a true living space. The interior is wide, the ceiling height creates an open feeling, and the layout is designed to make the most of every inch. Soft lighting, clean finishes, and smart design choices make the space feel welcoming. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, this motorhome adapts easily to your lifestyle. The driver's seat is supportive and comfortable, built for long hours behind the wheel. The dashboard layout is clear and simple, with controls placed exactly where you expect them to be. Visibility from the driver's position is excellent, making the motorhome easy to handle despite its size. The co-pilot seat often swivels around, turning the front cabin into part of the living area once you're parked. This small detail adds a lot of comfort and makes the interior feel much bigger. The kitchen area is compact but thoughtfully designed. You usually get a clean countertop, practical storage cabinets, a fridge, and a stove with a sink. Everything is within easy reach, making cooking simple even when space is limited. Whether you're preparing breakfast early in the morning or cooking dinner after a long day of driving, this kitchen feels practical and efficient without feeling cramped. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area truly delivers. The bed feels solid and well supported, with a mattress that offers real comfort instead of the thin padding found in older RVs. The layout provides privacy and a sense of calm, helping you relax fully at the end of the day. Many builds also include additional sleeping options like fold-down beds or convertible seating areas, making it easy for families or guests to travel together comfortably. Yes, there is also a proper bathroom. Not just a basic corner setup, but a functional wet bath that includes a shower, sink, and toilet. Storage throughout the motorhome is generous, with overhead cabinets, underbed compartments, and side storage areas. This makes it easy to carry clothes, food supplies, tools, and outdoor gear without cluttering the living space. This motorhome is designed for real travel, not just short weekend trips. Luxury in the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic is quiet and refined. It's not about flashy screens or unnecessary extras. It's about thoughtful details like good insulation that keeps the cabin quiet, a smooth suspension that absorbs road imperfections, solid door closures, and effective climate control. All these elements come together to create a premium experience that feels calm and comfortable. So why does the 2015 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic still matter today? because it hits the perfect balance. It's modern enough to feel updated, old enough to be more affordable, strong enough to last for years, and comfortable enough for long-term travel. Compared to older manual models, the Hi-Matic is far easier to drive. Compared to newer models, it offers excellent value for money. That's why many RV owners still prefer this year. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2015 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic for long road trips, or would you go for something newer? Comment below and tell us if you could see yourself living and traveling in this motorhome. This motorhome is not just about numbers and specifications. It's about freedom. Freedom to stop wherever you want, freedom to wake up somewhere new, and freedom to travel without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're parked near the ocean, deep in the mountains, or exploring new cities, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic turns every journey into a lifestyle. The 2015 IVECO Daily Hi-Matic proves that true luxury doesn't need to be complicated. It needs to be comfortable, reliable, and built with real travelers in mind. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and lifestyle review, make sure to like this video because it really helps the channel. Subscribe for more motorhome and automotive lifestyle content, and don't forget to comment your favorite RV below. Until next time, keep traveling and keep chasing the open road.